I can't thank una for what una do for me. Say una not know me before, but because of Osomole, una come make me governor. I can't tell una say election they come.
So I need my own people. Make you go Abuja, make them support what they do here. And you have to send people when you trust. And one person when I trust. Una know him. He don't work for us before. He don't go Abuja before. They know him for Abuja. Now, Igodomogodo. Una don't know Igodo. Una don't know him. They say Igodo is a go. The other person, I don't need to campaign. He don't there already. EJ. You know why we must send EJ? EJ not the only one when we get. And una know say EJ, Bama Riot Squad. Now only come out, come talk for us when something they hot for Abuja. Una go lose what una get. Una go lose what una get. So make we send this man back. If not 10 votes we give him before, now maybe we give him 100.
Me, I don't ready Gidigba. With the governor behind me, national behind me, all of una behind me. What did he make? We never conquer. We never conquer. So dividends of democracy will come to you all by the grace of God. And I promise you, I assure you all, I will never disappoint you all.
Make I introduce the landlord. The landlord of Egor. The landlord of Egor. The landlord of Egor. Eribo. 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 APC. Ward 7. Happy New Year. I can't greet you now. I can't thank you now. Because of what you do for me. Now remember, since you now vote for me as governor, I never can't say thank you. So today I can't say thank you. So if you now want to make I work more for you, we need to send our own person go Abuja. Make you go Senate for Abuja there. So when they talk, he go say, Edo Day, Edo South, this not gonna give them. That is why we want to send person when we trust. And the person when I trust, when we trust, because I don't go there before, I don't work for before. Now I go do. I go walk the way governor they walk. I go join governor work for una. I go talk Gidigba for una. I go represent una cultural Egor. They say, what till you get when good, you go to where I am. If you get something when good, when they work for you, you go to where I am. If you get medicine when you take when they make you strong, you don't go take them every day. That's what we see. We get person for House of Rep for Abuja. EJ Abolina.
We will support the Kasi governor. When we bring dividends of democracy for una. For me, the thing we need, where governor need, where President Buhari need, where Igodomogodo need, when Eribo need today, now your prayers and your vote. Once you don't pray for us, you say no. Governor sir, they go vote for us, Gidi.
This was 7 with 19 units. The field winner. Because Eribo will go round. Eribo will go unit to unit. You go mobilize una. APC.
Our governor, we will do our best to make sure we deliver this work.
APC progress to the next level. Egor, Ward 8. Happy New Year. I can't say thank you, Wawesi, because of what you did, the votes you will give me to become governor. So now only me to do work here since I come. Now is the time to send people. Make they go Abuja, where money dey, so that they feel come join the one they do here. And you not feel send person when you not trust. Make you go represent you somewhere. You go represent you?
No. Igodo will represent us. He will represent us where? He knows what is good for Edo. He knows what is good for Edo. Igodo! The other person, when we get represented, he does the work already. We know him. We know him. They like to keep what you get. Who don't want to keep what you get? You want to remember what you get? We're not getting there already. He's not going to represent us. Is he not doing well for us?
I am here to tell you that I'm going to join her with the governor to deliver dividends of democracy to the yearning of the people. You are the people.
Would I know this man? Mahoya. Adoi. Eribo. 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 Eribo.
Mane mana. Tuawe ni wa norie iralina matue the executive governor and if you kwe ya no le gadi ma e word 9 orena matue SSMC wa bokia o
Ward 9. Happy New Year.
Same to you.
Ward 9. I can't thank you now. Because since you have voted for me to be governor, I never come back to say thank you. So, today, I can't say I thank you now. I don't start to work, but I never finish the work I did.
Also fight back. And we must defend and protect and stand Gidigba with President Buhari. Stand with the governor Obaseki here. Don't be so. You know, stand for me. Stand for Senator Igodomogodo. And Honorable Eribo. God bless you now. All my in-laws.
Who never make me win? Not the Eribo. APC. Egor Water. Happy New Year. You people must help me. Because the money when I spend now, not only from Edo, now the money one we get for here. But more money there Abuja. So we send better people when they go Abuja go represent us. They go bring money for us. That is why I come today. I say, you get person when I trust. Person when I don't work with. I know. That person, if we send him, go Senate. I know what he go fit do. I know what he and he go do. All these projects when they talk are chicken change. So today, I say, make I bring Igodomogodo.
Una know say me not the fear. And National Assembly, So I go talk well. Join governor so that we go attract federal government projects to Egor. This one not be political period again.
Una don't get. Una want something good. Una want the person who is having perform. Una already don't get EJ. EJ is performing already. EJ now stand up there. Abuja, he speak for us. When these people they do nonsense, he tell them say it's not possible. This is a bold man, courageous legislator, a lover of Edo State. Who is representing Egor well? Egor, will you not send him back? They have changed from EJ to Eribo. Remove person where they work for now. Everybody need introduction.